Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Fruit Ninja 2 on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To download the popular Fruit Ninja 2 application on your iPhone, first of all make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. Now go open your App Store. In the search box, type in Fruit Ninja and search. Look for this Fruit Ninja 2 application and click on the install or the download button. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded right on your iOS device. Fruit Ninja 2 is the exciting sequel to the beloved mobile game Fruit Ninja. This action-packed game brings back the classic fruit slicing gameplay with a fresh twist. Wait for the application to install in just a couple of minutes and you will then be able to download Fruit Ninja 2 on your iPhone in just a couple of steps and start enjoying the game. So that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.